PT and my learned husband. If you're not so much, I like him, all the very pushful. It's moving. Accompanied by our able chairman and my honorable husband as well. When you're more young, to be here today amongst this thing. Okay, that is, I was over the moon in London. Not too much because I'm the security a big issue in Nigeria and the Navy generally as well. Because I'm no way the man, I'm an ego to the Navy. I'm no way my ego to the Navy. No, you're I can tell you, a few years ago, my mother-in-law didn't go. Our house. Only I come here. Save one. Security so local the local security and security and thank God for na gozia afunu romi ananya na foto kan na afia na afifa na ede na video mana chiteke ga ama nyele ama yokwala unu abonde na cheda anyi inugo it is well no beli fa anyi meme chukwu na ga agba unu ume and oge debe unu nyekwa unu strength and energy if you will carry on anyi wa no nwa anyi otu aka lulu anyi I ga na-eme otu aka lulu nwa anyi ka otokwasiri di ebe so I never go to Canada, and that's the one. I go willing to go back there. So, who don't you know, Chani, may God bless us and move you forward. Amen. Keep any in our plan. Na Ganiru, Kamadi Alabanu, and honesty is the best for life. Yes. Honesty is the progress. Ikubarana Kayoto. May God bless you all. Amen. Yes.